Hey guys, in this video, we are going to be checking out list of top 5 best smart toilets on Amazon in 2022. Looking to upgrade your bathroom and give a new modern look? Smart toilets offer integrated personal cleansing to create a cleanliness that simply cannot be matched by toilet paper. Bathrooms are becoming more and more luxurious. Considered a private space, although also a shared space with family members, the bathroom is where many of us spend our only time alone in a day. Having luxurious features, such as the best smart toilet, in that space, makes that private, alone time even better. Here are a few of the best options on the market. So, we make a list of top 5 best smart toilet based on customer reviews and personal opinion. For further information you should check the links in description below. Okay, so let's get started with video.
Introduce our Smart Bidet Toilet for your premium lifestyle. Sophisticated piece of technology with bidet and toilet in one. So enjoy and always be comfortable with Vovo Stylement. Premium design with sleek tankless system. Eco-friendly power save mode with LED display. Simply walk into the room and it will automatically open for you. Enjoy the comfort with wide heated seat. 5 adjustable water pressures with self-cleaning full stainless steel nozzle guarantees hygienic usage. Warm air dryer in 3 adjustable temperatures reduces usage of toilet paper. Built-in deodorization provides additional touch in your bathroom. Tornado Flush swirls and cleans the waste efficiently. Just leave, it will flush. Auto flushing system provides hands-free operation. Soft touch remote provides easy operation. LED night light guides you in the dark. Vovo Stylement Bidet Toilet won German IF Design Award, being #1 in South Korea domestic and export market.
Cleaning the toilet again? We invented technology that cleans the floor, cleans windows, trims the lawn, washes dishes, and cleans the laundry. But only for the assignment we hate the most, there's no solution. Until now. Introducing Spinex, a revolutionary toilet cleaning robot that cleans your toilet bowl and seat automatically in just 90 seconds. Spinex was designed to make your toilet cleaning experience more efficient. At the touch of a button, it makes your toilet clean and shiny. A smart sensor scans your toilet shape, and a smart robotic arm goes out of a hidden cell and gets to every spot in the bowl. Equipped with a jet of water and soap, the brush rapidly rotates even underwater. Dirt and bacteria don't have a chance. You won't need to take care of anything. The brush cleans and dries itself, killing up to 99.99% bacteria. Even the seat gets clean. Soap and water jets are washing the seat thoroughly, followed by a compressed air drying it perfectly. And when it's all done, Spinex returns back to its elegant and luxurious look. Spinex is suitable for every toilet. Even at the office, you can continue to take care of your business instead of your toilet and save precious time. Forget about cleaning the toilet forever. Perfect cleaning has never been easier. Spinex operates on low power consumption. Every 30 sessions, charge the battery and add your favorite soap. Spinex, the world's first automatic toilet cleaning robot.
Hi, my name is Ariel.
And I'm Hila. We have 4 children and we hate to clean the toilet.
That's why we created Spinex. We've built an amazing team of engineers and designers, and we've created a smart product that saves time and effort.
We've completed the design and have sourced the manufacturers. Now we are ready to make the last adjustments and go to production. In order to bring Spinex to families and businesses around the world, we need your support to produce Spinex at an industrial scale. Thank you.
Join the Wash, Don't Wipe revolution. Experience Brondell's Swash Luxury Bidet Toilet Seat. Easily self-installed, the Swash provides a luxurious upgrade to your existing toilet. The Swash has been specifically engineered for North American toilets, with a sleek shape for a perfect toilet fit, and a hidden pocket to ensure that the electrical cord and water hose stay tucked out of sight. The design is like nothing else on the market, blending into the decor of any bathroom. Unique to the Swash is a variety of spray widths, ranging from a narrow, concentrated stream to a wide, gentle spray. The oscillation function gently moves the nozzles back and forth for a thorough clean. A heated air dryer features adjustable warm air temperature, allowing for a hands-free experience. The nozzles self-clean after every wash, with the additional feature of on-demand sterilization, providing extra assurance that your nozzles remain germ-free. Stainless steel has proven to be more hygienic and longer-lasting than industry-standard plastic. That's why we use stainless steel for our dual nozzle system. Fresh, aerated water flows through the nozzles, providing both posterior and feminine washes. Each nozzle is adjustable to one of 7 positions and offers water pressure adjustment. The Swash provides endless warm water washes with 4 temperature settings, thanks to its innovative tankless ceramic core heating system. An active carbon deodorizer neutralizes bad odors at the source, ensuring that the Swash keeps your bathroom environment fresh and clean. The sleek wireless remote control has a magnetic dock and is specifically designed for easy operation. The remote allows you to store your wash preferences with 2 programmable user settings, and offers a one-touch auto setting for any user to experience a full wash and dry cycle.
Designed to ensure aesthetic delight. Engineered to provide the most advanced features. Kohler Air continues the mission to merge futuristic innovation and art. Its pure and elegant design ensures beauty and simplicity of use. The toilet seat opens and closes automatically when the microwave sensor detects movement with 3 different modes to adjust the detecting distance. Bowl sanitation is activated with one simple touch of the remote control, ensuring complete cleaning of the bowl before use. Perfectly matching multiple bathroom styles, whether transitional, classic, or contemporary. The hidden power cord and water supply pipe ensure easier cleaning and maintenance. Installable against the wall and available with S-Trap or P-Trap to meet different installation and water pressure requirements, as well as different rough-ins. The water sprayed from the wand onto the body is purified and filtered to remove impurities, residual chlorine, and heavy metals for a healthier bidet experience. The water filter is easily removable, and an indicator advises when to replace it. The wide French curve toilet seat offers enhanced seating comfort. The front wash provides gentle personal care for women. The spiral rear wash ensures effortless, complete, and comfortable cleansing. Electrolyzed water and UV light functions are activated to clean the toilet's bowl and wand with an easy one-click button. The built-in dryer provides comfortable, warm air. The built-in deodorizer is automatically activated after use, neutralizing bathroom odors. Sensor-activated touchless flush technology leaves behind fewer germs on the hands. Kohler Air, where futuristic innovation meets art.